Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. Today we're going back to grilling basics and cooking a grilled chicken breast on the channel. It's a very simple recipe and it's a very versatile yet vital component to so many dishes that you may cook up. So it's absolutely important that you nail it every time. And today I'm going to show you how to do just that and share one example of how you could use it. So stay tuned after the intro. Today on the channel, I'll be grilling up this package of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now, I can't just take these out of the package and throw them directly on the grill, and that's because A, chicken breast like this tends to be very thick. You'd almost have to reverse sear this. But B, you'll notice there's also a thicker and a thinner side, so if I did throw this straight on the grill, it wouldn't even cook evenly. To begin rectifying both of these problems, begin by grabbing a knife and watching your fingers very carefully cut this chicken in half lengthwise. And at a certain point, you'll be able to open up your chicken breast like a book. Exactly like so. The problem that this has just solved is now your breast has been thinned out significantly and will cook much quicker on the grill. However, we do still have the problem where one side is thicker than the other. So to rectify this, we're going to cover our chicken breast with a sheet of wax or parchment paper, and then grab a meat mallet and pound the thicker side of the chicken breast so that it's of the same thickness as the thin side of the chicken breast. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I find this to be a very therapeutic step. And after a bit of pounding, you'll see that while this is not quite perfect, you'll see that this chicken breast is evened out in thickness quite a bit. I'll go one extra step here and cut this chicken breast in half into 2 equal-sized serving portions. And now I'll transfer all these to a clean plate to prepare these for the grill. As usual, we're going to start with a little bit of olive oil, drizzle that onto your chicken, and gently work that evenly with your clean hands. Next up, a little bit of kosher salt and some freshly ground black pepper. If you're going really simple, you can stop right there, but I like a little bit something extra, so today I'm going to add a little bit of oregano. The great thing about chicken breast is it's kind of like a blank slate and will take well to pretty much any herb or spice, so add what you like. Regardless of what you do end up using, pat those spices into your chicken breast, and of course, what you do on one side, you need to do to the other side as well. So once you've flipped them all over and you've repeated this process on the second side, we are ready to head on out to our grill. I'll be demonstrating this cook today on my Weber Q2000. It has been preheating for about 15 to 20 minutes on this cold, blustery Chicago afternoon. Once you're ready, go ahead and lay your chicken breast directly across the grill grates. And you'll see on my Weber Q2000, there's plenty of room for 2 chicken breasts that have been portioned into 4 individual servings. Once everything is on board, shut the lid, turn your gas knob to a medium heat, and let everything cook for 5 minutes on that first side. And after 5 minutes, we're going to open the lid and see how we're doing and give everybody a flip. And we're doing really well. The chicken is starting to turn white and opaque around the edges, which is what we want to see. And we're developing some great grill marks on the side that was previously on the grill grates. Once everything has been turned over, we're going to shut the lid once again and finish this cook. And here we are, 5 minutes later, for a total of 10 minutes of cook time on the grill. Our chicken breast portions should be done. But if you want to be safe, you want to temperature check them, your target temperature will be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I was just a touch over, but that should be okay. These chicken breasts should still be quite moist and flavorful. Now, before I show you exactly what I'm using these chicken breasts for today, let's cut inside one of them and see how it turned out. And before the big reveal, I have to apologize for overexposing this shot, but I hope you can still see just how moist and juicy these chicken breasts turned out. Perfect. And so, how exactly am I using this chicken today? Well, I'm going to cube this up and then add this to some pasta with some sauteed mushrooms. Delicious. So this was just one idea for how to use chicken breast after cooking it up on a Weber cube. But in reality, the possibilities are endless. Like I said, grilled chicken breast is kind of like a blank slate, so let your imagination and your taste buds run wild. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to dish is with grilled chicken breast. I'd be curious to know. Thank you very much as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And of course, I will see you all again next time. Bye!